everyone, I'm graphic designer and illustrator Anika, and in this video series, I'm going to help you get started with basic tools in Photoshop you can use for marketing materials and to express your brand and your message. It can seem challenging at first to get started to create professional, stunning graphics for marketing, especially if you're not a graphic designer by trade. But once you get started and you understand the basics, a little bit of help goes a long way. You can easily teach yourself how to create beautiful, compelling graphics with a little bit of time. You can create anything from a poster to social media graphics to infographics or even product mockups for your business or your brand. To give you a look and feel of what we will dive into this series, here's a few examples of my previous work. Photoshop has been by far my favorite tool to create product mockups, whether it is a tote bag or creating something right from scratch. I usually create scalable logos in Illustrator and use the Cloud library to pull it into Adobe Photoshop. A Creative Cloud library is a collection of design assets that you can use in your work. Several types of design assets can be added to a CC library. The CC libraries support color swatches, color themes, paragraph styles, character styles, and other graphics as well. This enables the versatility of the product while also helping me manage content in a timely and efficient manner. Here's a walkthrough of one of my mockup files. It's worth noting that other than the background layer and 4 different ellipses with layer styles attached to them, there's nothing really complicated going on. Now that you've seen what you can achieve with Adobe Photoshop, consider watching the rest of the series to design all sorts of content for your business. And to learn more, don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe to the channel. My name is Anika. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.